Maniya Alise here, and I am back with another video. So if you are new to my channel, hello, hi, how are you, boo? I hope all is well. And if you are a returning babe, hey girl, I hope you're doing well. Peace and blessings to all you beautifuls. I'm so thankful for you tuning in today. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create faux locks using braiding hair. Y'all, if my face gets in the camera, you know, mistake or whatever, don't mind my appearance because it is late. But I did want to bring out this video. I thought this would be a pretty cool method as opposed to Marley hair if you don't like the Marley hair, because it can get a little poofy. Or if you don't like the whatever hair you're using, it's just another option. And not to say that anything is wrong with the Marley hair, or nothing is wrong with any type of hair. It's just all about how you work the hair. You know, you have to do the hair. You can't let the hair do you. So we just gonna get right into this video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure your bell is on so that you can know when I post a new video. And if you haven't already, go watch my last video. It was me doing some bomb small cherry knotless braids, y'all. I'm talking about sexy, exotic, really pretty braids. Y'all go check it out. In this video, what I have to do my knotless braids are some shears. You can use scissors, whatever you like. That's just my choice. I have Shining Jam and a regular, I have a metal rat tail comb. The braiding hair I'm using is the Freeches Braid 101. So I don't know if y'all can see, but I hope y'all can. But this hair was $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. I don't know about where y'all live, but if you live in Atlanta, hair is going up, okay? This hair used to be $1.99 a pack, but now it's $2.99. But okay, but we just gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off by separating the hair just how we would if we were doing some feed-in braids or knotless braids or whatever. You're just gonna go ahead and section off the hair. So I like a good healthy lock, so I always make sure to use a good amount of hair. Even if I'm doing smaller locks, I still like it to be full, like no see-through. Like it to be a good healthy full lock, if you know what I mean. I'm just going to show you how I installed the lock with the braiding hair. So I just did some knotless braids, just fooling around just to have a base. You can do whatever it is you need to do as long as you have a sturdy base for the lock. That's your main goal. Got my hair. I'm going to take my braid, my base right here. I'm going to create my anchor, which I do by just coming up and just wrapping around. Just not even a wrap, I just kind of fold it so it can just be on the other side, so it can just, you know, create a little lock, you know. So here I'm just going to take the end of my thumb. Now I'm just going to wrap. Y'all, the good thing about using the braiding hair, and most importantly the pre-feather braiding hair, is it's always going to have this straggly end, okay? Always. So what you're doing as you keep wrapping, even though it's creating fuzz, that's okay, we're gonna go back and fix that. As you're wrapping, you're doing nothing but creating a more secure foundation for your lock. That's it. And you just gonna wrap. Even if you can't see, you can definitely feel. You just gonna keep wrapping until nothing else is coming out. So, okay, boom. So I'm gonna stop mine right here. And y'all, I'm stopping these at a certain point because I'm working on something. I have a dope vision in mind that I'm bringing to life. That's why I'm not going all the way down. But as y'all can see, I just want to show y'all how secure it is. When I take, this is like the last straggly. Even if I want to unravel it, I can't. Only thing I'm doing is creating more fuzz. I'm not gonna undo that foundation. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Shiny Gem, and what I like to do is palm roll. And palm rolling relieves most of your frizz, but not all of it. That's why I like to go in with my shears. Y'all can see I made the mistake of not having the hair thick enough in this one, so I have a little gap right here. And so I say be careful, make sure your hair is dense enough before you start wrapping. But y'all can see it is so freaking pretty. Like, I love how this looks. It's so neat. It's so neat. Like, look at this. It don't start getting frizzy until down here, and that's because I was messing with it. And I'm not gonna clean it up all the way because I don't want it to be cleaned up all the way. I kind of like the little frizz. So yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time right here. Got my hair, and I don't know if I mentioned before, but I'm taking about a thumb's width. So thumb's width, and you're gonna go ahead. Get your hair on there. When you're wrapping, you just want to make sure that the hair is flat. Because if not, it'll create like bumps and lumps and stuff. And you don't want that. You want a nice, clean lock. You want your locks to look like you put your love and your time into it. So just be mindful of that. So like I said, here's that piece again. You did want to keep wrapping on down, wrap your anchor. You would secure it. I'm taking a little bit of Shiny Gem on the palm of my hand. Boom. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, creating the locks with the braiding hair is so pretty. Like, the sheen on it, how neat it is, it's just a smooth, neat look. Also, it's just another method that you can add to your repertoire when doing your faux locks. So let me know how y'all like this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.